How to find a profitable private label product in 15 minutes or less. Another thing that's amazing about this business model is that there's no one way how to sell on Amazon FBA. Here's a few of the most popular methods. I know this is a lot of information to digest, but now it's time to demonstrate how easy it is to find a private label product for you to sell. This is an important part of selling on Amazon called product research. If that sounds like a lot of work, don't worry. Believe it or not, Amazon actually offers up data on how well each of their products sell. In fact, one of the key metrics that we use to determine a product's demand is found right on the Amazon product pages. The bestseller ranking, BSR. What is the Amazon bestseller ranking? Each and every product on Amazon gets a BSR. The lower the BSR, the more sales the product makes. We can take the BSR and translate it into average monthly sales. Of course, it only helps you learn how well one product is doing at a time. We want to see how multiple products in a single search, also called a niche, are doing and what their average is. You could do all of that by hand on a spreadsheet, but it could take you hours. That's what I used to do when I started, and I don't recommend it. Chrome extension. With the Chrome extension, you can pull up an Amazon search page and simply click the Research Tool, Chrome button to discover how profitable that product niche is. Immediately, the extension creates a spreadsheet that estimates the sales for each and every product on that page in 10 seconds or less. Take a look at the results for yoga mats. We can see that yoga mats on the first page of sales results are selling an average of X units per month. Plus, there's other important information extension provides. Average bestseller ranking. The lower this is overall, the better it is for your future sales. Average price. This shouldn't be too high or too low. In fact, I like to look for products priced between $18 to $60. Average number of reviews. This lets you know how competitive a product is. I aim for products with less than 100 average reviews. Opportunity score. This awards each product niche a rating from 0 to 10. 0 being the worst, and 10 being the absolute best. Armed with this powerful tool, you can quickly search through multiple product categories in just a few minutes. Here's what else extension does: seller data. See who is selling the product, whether it's another FBA seller, a merchant seller, or even Amazon itself. Historical rank and sales. Want to know how well the product has done over time? Clicking on the BSR and average sales for each product will tell you. Google Trends. Is your product a seasonal product or is it popular year-round? You can find that out, too. Remember when I mentioned that the average private label product can earn as much as $3,000 per month in profits? That's $36,000 per year. And all it takes is a few minutes of research to find your dream product. Now that you know a little bit about selling on Amazon and we've shown you how to find a private label product, it's time to consider the other elements of the Amazon FBA private label model. How to source a product on Alibaba. Once you've discovered your product through research, you'll need to source it through a manufacturer. There's plenty of options out there, but your best bet is with Alibaba. How to build a killer Amazon product listing that sells. Then, after you've made a deal and your products are being created, it's time to start building your Amazon product listing. This is an incredibly important part of how to sell on Amazon FBA, so we want to make sure you know all the best tricks, tips, and strategies to build a listing that sells. How to ship your products from the manufacturer to Amazon. Next, you'll need to ship your product from the manufacturer to Amazon. How to launch and promote your product. Finally, You will need to launch and promote your product once it hits Amazon. Again, this might seem difficult, but it's crazy easy. In fact, once you knock this one out, there's very little you'll have to do beyond tracking ads and making sure your stuff stays in stock. In other words, congratulations. You're at the finish line. And that's the basics of selling on Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA changed my life. And I hope it can help you change yours, too. Whatever it is that you want, whether it's financial freedom, a 4-hour workweek, or just the ability to create something that's your own, I want to help you succeed.